Okay, next video. So now we're gonna print our wacky bottle. So this is the bottle I made before with 270 degrees and the text and the text. And just like with everything in Fusion 360, we're gonna come up and we're gonna 3D print and uncheck this and then choose 3MF or STL, it doesn't matter. When we click the bottle, it should select the entire bottle and click OK. And we're gonna get the bottle wacky. And I have it in my location right here. That's my location. Yours is going to be a little different. All right, now, what I want to show you is printing with Brim. So previously, when we printed anything, we always printed a ring. That's called a skirt. It basically just puts a ring around it. It's kind of like just to make sure that the filament is working properly. But we're going to use a Brim because when you print something that's really tall and has to move back and forth on the print bed, there's a really good chance it will shake itself loose from the print bed. That's just inertia. So to keep that from happening, we're going to replace this skirt with a Brim. So we're going to go up to the print settings up here. And where it says skirt and brim, it's kind of nice. We're going to make a Brim, and we're going to make a Brim of 10 millimeters, basically a full centimeter, and that's going to create a ring around our bottle. So that will hopefully anchor it better to the print bed. So now we're extruding it. There is our Brim, and it can be easily just peeled off. But if you ever have something that falls off of the print bed, just because the print bed is moving, it's called a bed slinger, it's slinging back and forth. If you ever have that issue, then a Brim is way to go. All right, so that's how you print a Brim. Also, I believe we're going to print at 10%, and we are also going to scale this to 80. Click enter, 80, 80, 80, and we are ready to print. There we are. Okay, so the reason we need to make it 80 is we're at 200 millimeters right now. Our print machines only go to 230, and that last 20 or 30 millimeters is a little dicey. So that is what we're going to print. And there's my text right there. At 1 millimeter, we don't have to worry about it being an error. It'll print 1 millimeter in just fine. All right.